friends, this is Jarrett Coon from Judge Jarrett Productions, and today I'm here at Springwood Farm.
This farm was originally built in 1868. My grandparents bought it when it was 100 years old in 1968. When my grandfather died in 2012, my aunts and uncles helped take over the responsibilities of the farm and help my grandma out. I would always cap sugar peas with my grandfather and my cousin. It's a shame he's passed now that we can no longer do it together. Sugar peas and mashed potatoes. Some of the tomato plants are in their early stages of growing the tomatoes. Shot of the main area of the farm from the garden area. Up here in the pasture we have a smaller garden used for watermelons and other plants. Pumpkin plants. Watermelon plants. Main area of the farm from this angle and the other farm in the background. Grapevines my Aunt Sol and Uncle Steve planted here the other week. They also planted a strawberry patch. It's not yet finished, but they'll get back to it. Sister M, or Sister Mahindra as my Aunt Sol would call her. This is the main side of the barn. Let's go inside. There's not much in here, to be honest. The windmill there, my grandma started painting, just needs to be fixed. The picnic table over there. Some of the hay stored. It's just a big old red barn full of typical stuff. The back side of the barn has recently went under a remodel. It got new siding, new roof, and new beams. As I said before, the farm was built in 1868. The last initial there, the G, represents the last name of the person, which was the Greggs. The B, I have no idea. One of the two springs on the farm. This is a freshwater spring which we use to get water out of for the animals. I have no idea what these flowers are called. We water them using the water out of the rain barrel, which is right over there. My Aunt Sol and Uncle Steve also put in these honey bee hives, which I hope we can get honey out of sometime. Baby goats we had this past year. Female turkey on the loose. Chicken laying on the nest. Mia retrieving the ball I threw for her. You found it! Yay! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out my Aunt Sol's channel. Link in the description below. Thank you.